how are you? And welcome back to another recorder lesson. Hello everyone, welcome back. I wonder what we are going to learn today. Last time we learned about the Tortoise family. I wonder if we are going to meet them again today. Hello Miss Piggy and Casper. I see you are ready and waiting for another recorder lesson. And I heard Miss Piggy mention the Tortoise family. Am I correct? Yes, I did. Are we going to meet them again? Well, yes. I asked some of them to come and help us with what we learned last lesson. Oh, yes. We learnt about the fast notes, the running notes. Well remembered, Miss Piggy. I remember that Mommy Tortoise had high heels. Did you ever see such high heels before in your life? Oh, I thought they were very smart. I loved those high-heeled shoes. Well, I remember that it went click, clack, click, clack, click, clack every time she walked to the kitchen or anywhere else for that matter. And Daddy Tortoise had those cool boots with the thick soles that went doof, 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 wherever he went. Yes, and Tammy Tortoise, isn't she just the cutest girl? I loved her pink cap. Anyway, Tammy Tortoise and Tommy Tortoise were the children with so much energy that they spent a lot of time running around the place. Grandpa Tortoise was the slowest one of the lot, just like a real tortoise. Oh, and wasn't it just such a beautiful garden that Granny Tortoise was walking through? I don't blame her for walking slowly. Well, it seems like the Tortoise family have helped you remember how long and how short the notes are. I have asked some of them to help us compare the notes that they represent. So, first we have Grandpa and Granny Tortoise. Grandpa goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Granny Tortoise goes slowly, step, swing. Now we have Mommy Tortoise and Tommy Tortoise. Mommy Tortoise goes walk, click, clack, click, clack. Our energetic Tommy Tortoise goes running. Now let's compare how many steps Granny Tortoise takes while Grandpa takes his one slow step. Did you notice that Granny Tortoise takes 2 steps every time Grandpa Tortoise only takes 1 long step? Now let's compare how many steps Mommy Tortoise takes when Granny Tortoise only takes 1 step. Did you notice that Mommy Tortoise took 2 steps every time Granny Tortoise only took 1 step? Now let's compare how many steps Tommy Tortoise takes when he goes running every time Mommy Tortoise only takes 1 step. Did you notice that Tommy Tortoise took 2 running steps while Mommy Tortoise only took 1 step, 1 walk or 1 click step? But what does that have to do with the recorder? Good question, Miss Piggy. But before we're going to play on the recorder, I want us to play on some other instruments. I have actually brought a basket of rhythmic percussion instruments along. So, Miss Piggy, you are going to play an egg shake. And Casper, you are going to play on a triangle. Ooh, exciting, exciting. Do I get to play an instrument again? And this is called an egg shake. What do I have to play? Miss Piggy, I would like you to play the hop notes. So you are going to play hop, 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 hop on your egg shake. Casper, I want you to play the dong notes. You are going to play ding, dong, ding, dong on your triangle. Like this. Hop, 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 hop. I'm going to play the triangle. That's like a bell. Remember my bell from last time, Miss Piggy? Yes, I remember your bell. That was so clever. Let's hear you play the triangle. Ding, dong, ding, dong. Casper starts. Ding, dong. Hop, 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 hop. Ooh, this is so much fun. This is so much fun. Can we play other instruments as well? Right, now it's Miss Piggy's turn to try playing on the rhythm sticks. Miss Piggy, can you please play hop, 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 hop on your rhythm sticks? And Casper, you are going to play on the drum, and I want you to play slowly, slowly, step, swing, or bang, swing on your drum. Oh, what fun! I love drums. Here we go with a dong, 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 dong. Hop, 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 hop. Ooh, I love playing the rhythm sticks too. Right, Casper, now you get a turn to play on the rhythm sticks, and I want you to play hop, 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 hop on your rhythm sticks. And Miss Piggy, you're going to get a chance to play the running notes. So I want you to play running, 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 running on your egg shakes. Ha! So now I get to play the rhythm sticks. So what do I do? Like this. Hop, 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 hop. And I get to play running, 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 running. And now together. Hop, 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 hop. Running, 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 running. Oh, this is such fun. I think so too. I love making music. Now, Miss Piggy, I want you to play the running notes on your egg shake. Casper, you play hop, hop on your rhythm sticks. And I'm going to play the dong note on the triangle. Ding, dong. Hop, 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 hop. Running, 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 running. If you don't have rhythmic percussion instruments at home, you can go into the kitchen and have a look for some kitchen utensils as alternatives for these instruments. For example, you can take 2 wooden spoons to use as rhythm sticks. Or you can take a plastic bowl with a plastic lid and a wooden spoon to use as a drum. Or you can find a little container, add some rice and use it as a shaker. And there you have it. Now you can play the rhythms on your own rhythmic percussion instruments. Right, Miss Piggy, now it's your turn to play on the recorder. And Casper, please help her close those holes because Miss Piggy cannot do both. And Miss Piggy, can you please play running, running, hop, hop, running, running, hop, hop, 4 times on the recorder, while I play hop, hop, dong, hop, hop, dong on my recorder. Are you ready? Here we go. Now we are going to try something special. We are going to take the notes that we have learnt from the Tortoise family and we are going to build our own melody. First, I would like to start the song with 4 dong notes. So it's going to be dong, 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 dong. The second row is going to be hop, 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 dong, dong. Then we have to decide what fingers we are going to use on the recorder to play these notes. So under the first dong note, I think we'll take 1. Second dong note, we will try 2. Third dong note, we'll go back to finger 1. And last dong note, we're going to take 2. Then in the second row, for the hop, 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 I think we'll use 1 for the first hop note, 1 for the second hop note, 2 for the third hop note, 2 for the fourth hop note, and then for the next 2 dong notes, we're going to use 3 and 3. Let's see what that sounds like. Let's make our song a little longer. Let's add a third and a fourth row. In our third row, I'm going to take 2 dong notes again, 2 hop notes, and end that row with another dong note. And in the last row, we've got to include some running notes. So let's make that 4 pairs of running notes, and we'll end our song on 2 more dong notes. And now for the fingers. So the first dong note in the third row is going to be 1. The second dong note is going to be 2. And then our 2 hop notes are both going to be on 1. So it's going to be 1, 1. And the dong note at the end of that line is going to be 2. And in the last row, let's make our first 2 pairs of running notes 1. So it's going to be 1, 1, 1, 1. And the second 2 pairs of running notes are going to be 2, 2, 2, 2. And we'll end off, because it sounds the best, on 3. So our last 2 dong notes are going to be 3 and 3. So let's see what our third and fourth row sound like. And now for the whole song. Let's start with line 1, then line 2, then line 3, and the last line, number 4. What does it sound like? Can you now play that song? You can print yourself a copy, and I wonder if you are going to manage to play those running notes with your tongue. Enjoy it. Goodbye.